Bafowethu angithi nalazi udaba bafowethu njengoba sisahleli lana kwi-Brotherhood bafowethu Masters League 2025 ama-awards on the 29th of November. Ubatshela ukuthi angeke siphinde sibe nezinye i-29 ezaka November 2025 eyifana nezanamhlanje bafowethu.
Sanibonani emakhaya, igama nguThemba wakambongo. Ngibuya khona la e-extension 20 cleansing the community kulezi zinto ezenzakalayo manje boma drugs and substance abuse. So I think it's very important ukuthi abantu abakanje bahlale ba safe and
lento eyenzeke namhlanje akuyona ifavor mfethu abakuzwelanga uzimisele mfethu uyathola nathi siyakubongela mfethu.
Ngegama ngumzayifani Moyana bafethu. Lento eyenzakale ngamhlanje bafethu shoot manje bengekho like kulomqondelo ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngizohlala ngela yabo. Yeah,
bangithande banika something right. Bathi umuntu before umhlonipha. Before azokuhlonipha ngaye wena respect. Me all rounder. Yeah, me all round.
Nalast akusiyona i-team le ethathe i-league eyathatha kwaSana. Yathola like mfethu kuyaqala ngani nefuthi siyafisa ukuthi sikubone futhi mfethu kuqhubeka.
Bengu injury. But I'm recovering.
Yeah, so it was not easy for Tina because it was our first time we won. So yeah, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi bebanginominatile mina sithole ne experience. So my supporters wethu 28 Masters thanda ukwathembisa ukuthi next season yeah angeke siwa disappoint.
Angikho we are coaching coacha nabanye abafowethu ngibonga lethuba ngengalithola sifikele sayenza imark. Onke umuntu obela league last year no beke la before akakholwanga lento yenze high risk. Kunomfethu eMagagula Masters engakhula aladlala. Today he went nge fair play award.
wathi ngithola namhlanje uthando lokuthi contribute emphakathini. Ngicela ukuthi next year ubani hamba nabantu banjani ngiyacela umashini esilo umuntu uthanda abantu uNkulunkulu uzoba nawe ujobisi yomfaka ujobisi la ngiyasebenza ngincaka
anyway hayi yonke into right for iMonaco mfethu sithathe konke sithathe league sathatha top 4 sathatha top 8 yonke league yeBrotherhood siyabonga kuBrotherhood bafethu yonke into enisenzele yona inhle njengoba sila yonke into sijabulile na sibuye zonke ne so yonke into ivele yabalula for mina
because ngiyabonga sithi hlaphu ngezinto odume ngazo maybe lapha kule camera mebeze ukuthi umuntu lo esime nayo ubani namhlanje.
Bathi mnandi lento mawuyibuka uphinde uyizwe ngeindlebe yikho ngikunika lapha ukudla kwendlebe bathi hlala phansi uzinze uvula indlebe lezi uyabuka ibhola kanobhutshuzwayo amathashi cha amathashi cha amathashi cha full set corporate clean mina bakhathaza nezitho kwelini I push